guys, it's Isabella.
And Holly.
And today we are doing the slime making on the table. We're making it on a plate, so it's basically not on the table, so it's basically not really anything, but you know.
Because we don't want to mess up the tables.
Just pretend like it's a table.
Yeah,
it basically is a table.
This is a white table, okay?
Yeah, with a decorative thing.
So, ready? Oh, do we need... Oh,
I'm using
so
my
it's
hands.
no bowl, no spoon challenge.
Yeah.
So it's one of those deals. You know?
Wait. I want to do this.
1 second, guys. It's kind of too late. Okay, that's too much. Sorry. Okay, so now I'm doing...
Honestly, I think my slime is going to be good, so.
I hope mine's good. That's all I can say. Shake it up. Boom, 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 boom. Sorry. Oh.
You do not want
Oh.
to come out.
Oh.
Okay, I want to mix this. Stop.
I'm just gonna add a
But
little
I'm
bit of
only
this.
going in with one hand because.
Oh, I just added a little bit of activator while I did it. Oh, I have a buddy hair in my slime already, you know?
Buddy's hairs these days.
Does that make sense, Gabby?
After this, I'm just gonna play with shaving cream by itself.
I love shaving cream.
Me too. I'm gonna go grab a place so I can play with it.
Okay. You do you, boo. You do you. Buddy's in trouble. Oh yeah, oh buddy's in trouble. We're just gonna do a basic white slime today.
And after this,
Because we've already done 2 other
guys,
challenges.
today we're gonna do the spicy challenge because we're bored.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing today. We're just
Show
gonna
me
do.
what you're made of.
Can you hand me the slime? I mean the glue. Oh yeah, and we'll also do a YouTube video of us doing like the gymnastics challenge or whatever.
On the trampoline.
Yeah.
Because we can do backflips and back tucks and back
should we do-
handsprings and
well,
aerials.
We should do the
Even though we're soccer players, we're pretty cool.
we should do the gymnastics challenge and stick it.
Or memory.
Yeah, and memory. We'll do all of this. Guys, we'll do a bunch of different videos of us doing gymnastics on a trampoline, like our different challenges. And Gabby can't do all of it, so she won't do the video. She'll just like be there.
She'll
for
watch
fun.
us.
Yeah. And then after, she'll obviously jump with us. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with both hands because it's kind of a time.
Oh,
Same.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more before I do that. Actually, I don't want to.
Will you add some in mine? Like just on the plate?
Oh
I'll tell you when to stop.
no.
oh my gosh, Holly, look.
That's good.
Oh.
Holly, look.
I thought I automatically assumed
Look,
you were gonna
I'm
say
playing
stop.
with shaving cream.
Oh, I have a big bug bite. Itch it, itch it, itch it. Please.
Oh, there's a mosquito bite on your. There's a mosquito on your forehead.
Ah! Is it gone?
Is it
No.
on me?
What?
Yeah, it's gone.
No, it's right here
Let me see.
on the other side.
Oh my gosh. I got it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, look.
Oh my god, I'm so itchy right now. You don't even know.
Once we get on the trampoline, they'll get away from us. And we can put on bug spray. I have off.
Off. Get off. Get off. Get. Thank you.
I was painting my toenails the other day, and I got so many bug bites on my ankles.
You painted them outside?
Yeah, because I wanted to come outside because I was bored, like really bored.
Oh my god, I love this slime.
Mine is bad.
Gabby. Oh my god, I wish Gabby didn't have that on her because I'm rooting my shirt, but I don't really care, so. Joke's
Do you
on
hear
you,
that music?
mosquito.
Shh, we always hear music. Listen, and it sounds like from those clown movies. Listen,
Because I'm
listen.
tired of this.
Did you hear it?
There's like a clown in the neighborhood.
Not even kidding. We always hear like clown music like that. It sounds like
Because I'm
ice
tired
cream
of this
delivery.
fake love. Show me. There's no ice cream deliveries here though.
Yeah.
Where we
Yeah.
are right now, but we're not telling you where we are. But
Because it doesn't come here.
safety issues.
We're in a really hot place.
Well, we're in Texas. I don't care telling
Yeah,
you that.
we're in Texas.
But we're not gonna tell them where we live, like where we are right now.
Yeah.
So people won't stalk us.
Oh, Gabby.
Well, we can always say that we live, but we can't say where. Like we live on base. That's why
We live on base in Texas. That's all you need to know.
because and there so ice cream delivery trucks obviously can't come on because
They don't trust them because maybe it's a clown. You know?
Or maybe it's a person
you can
gonna
have that.
stalk us.
mix it with yours.
Okay, look at me. Look.
You
Look
should
at
post
my
mine. It
arms. It
feels
looks
really
like I have
good.
gloves on. It looks like I have gloves on. Pretty good gloves. Pretty white gloves.
Here, Gabs.
Can I
I'm
play
gonna,
with it?
guys, I'm playing with shaving
It's
cream.
shaving cream.
I'm not. I'm still playing with my slime because it feels good.
This is shaving cream?
Will you hand me that shaving cream over there? Because this one's like liquidy.
Yeah, it is.
I don't want.
Oh my gosh,
Keep
look,
going.
Holly.
Keep going. That's good.
Holly, here. I don't want to play with it.
Guys.
That's not mine. That's Isabella's.
You don't know how much I love this. Okay, put it
I'll
on my
put this
plate.
on the ground.
No, put it on my plate.
Throw it.
Catch it.
Gabby!
Oh, it came
That's
off.
my uniform!
It came off. Thank God. Is it Gabby? Is it Gabby?
What's wrong?
You got it on her uniform. That's what's wrong.
It could have been bad. This is my volleyball uniform. I don't know why I'm making slime in it, but still. Whenever we do the spicy challenge, I'm gonna change my clothes.
The spicy challenge?
Yeah, we're gonna do it out here though. Definitely. But I don't throw up from spicy things.
Yeah, I don't either. Because me and Isabella are afraid to throw up.
Ooh, that girl has a boyfriend over there.
Oof, they be kissing.
Yeah, they actually were. I saw them kissing.
Watch this. Mine's really good. I like it.
Can I have some more shaving cream? Look at my hands.
Look at this.
Go.
Can I have some shaving cream?
Gabby, you don't need any more. Okay, guys, so that was our challenge.
No, we're not done yet.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're
I
not
just need to
done.
talk to them, guys. So, guys,
We play soccer since this is like one of our first videos.
but yeah, so we're gonna explain to you some, and you should do like a Q&A with us. So if y'all comment down below like questions, then we'll do the answers.
Well, we'll do a video, a Q&A video.
Yeah, and even though y'all probably aren't gonna do that, but you know.
It's okay.
And we'll do truth or dare if y'all give us dares, but we can truth and dares, but we can always just make up our own too. So
So basically, we're soccer players.
she's D1.
I'm a D1 level, and I'm on an ODP team.
Help me! I have hair in my mouth. Just pull up. Oh,
I'm on a junior Olympic team.
I would have tried out, but I wasn't.
Okay,
here.
yeah, that looks fine.
Yeah, she wasn't here when tryouts were. And Isabella plays volleyball, and we both do cross country
And soccer.
and soccer.
I
And
do soccer.
Gabby, our little sister, plays soccer.
And the last cross country time I did, the last cross country meet I did, I got 14:30 and she got.
And that's 2
14:09.
miles. My most is 14:08. I mean, my least is 14:08, and her least is 14:34.
13:40. I'm
Oh,
14:30. 14:30. And yeah, that's 2 miles, not one. It's 2. Our 1 mile is probably like really fast.
Yeah.
Oh, look at my gloves.
Yeah. 1 mile. My 1 mile is 5 minutes. Some late 5s.
Look at my gloves.
That's my dad's. My dad's is less than mine actually.
Do you guys like my gloves?
So yeah.
Guys, listen.
Can I show them my gloves?
No, we're leaving. Okay. Bye,
Wait, no,
guys.
we need to tell more stuff.
Okay, more stuff. Gabby.
Gabby.
Oops.
Oh my gosh.
I have gloves on, guys.
Stop!
Okay.
Mama.
That's sister life, though. She's going to tell on us.
Because she
Yeah.
got shaving cream on the ground and I yelled at her for it.
Yeah, she got saving cream
Yeah.
everywhere. And now
Next one.
we're going to get in trouble. So, yeah.
Oh my gosh, look guys, there's a homemade volleyball. Ready?
There's your volleyball.
Actually, I
Bye, guys.
Whoa, I need to show my homemade volleyball. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh! Okay, no, before we
Bye.
end the video, no, before we
Oh.
end the video, we have to do something. Okay, guys, so basically, what I'm gonna do is ruin slime challenge. So I'm gonna throw it in the grass. There it is, right there in the grass. This is another challenge, and I'm just gonna poke it. Okay, now I'm gonna pull it. And what's happening is most of it is just sticking to the grass, and like it's not grass is coming. So, and after that, we gotta throw it in this mud, this muddy spot. And we're just gonna mix it with my feet. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. I'm sorry, I have to do this, guys. It's not getting on my feet. Okay, maybe a little bit, but you know. I know it's really gross, and I'm not keeping this one. I'm gonna throw it away when I'm done with this.
You're posting this on YouTube?
Yeah, it's part of the challenge.
Molly, can you get that?
Okay, so what else should we add? Hey, look! It's one of our cucumbers. It looks like a fat cucumber.
Okay, bye guys.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. Okay, don't forget
Bye.
to like, subscribe, and yeah, bye.
Comment down
Bye.
below.